Hindi ako makapaniwala na isang Pinay lang pala talaga ang sisira sa aming mag-asawa. Na, naglalaro siya, oy. Sa kadiha. Laro kag balon. Huh? Agoy, noy. Hello mga tita, kamusta? Matulog na ta. Agay, agay. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Ayoko, yuko. Ayoko, yuko, yuko. Oy.
Because I had to put stuff, I had to get my other stuff.
Yeah?
And then someone stepped on it, so then the leash was gone.
Oh,
It's supposed to have the leash.
is it?
What?
That's okay. Si Jenny hindi ito nag-aral kaya nagsuka na naman. Si JJ lang yung nag-aral
so I could
today.
just use the tape.
Yeah? Grabe nakasapatos na ang nakakuan, nakapangbahay. You like that shoe, Snack? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah? Kumata. Hello! Smile sabi! Smile saba! Adi man siya mag-smile nak. Be quickly be. Unsa naman kayo, oy? Old ones. Yeah. Kung tonsillitis ba, ilang araw na ito, kumain ako ng kapayas at silver swan na suka.
My heart.
Wala pa rin, oy. Hindi pa rin ako naulian. Hala, quickly na nak, oh. Kaya it's raining na lang. What?
No, it's my hat.
You. Where is you?
It's in like inside. Oh no, you.
Hala, umuulan na. Dali na, dali na. Go, quickly. Yung bata, oh, hindi pa rin natulog. Naku, kanina pa ito. Dili magilak ha. No.
Hi.
I think he's sleepy, anak. Sleepy, Jack? Mag-seatbelt sa tabi para safe. Ala, katawa man kaya na siya.
Smiling.
He's smiling, anak. I think he's saying hello. Hello?
Hello.
Ajay! Ah, napaka-cute-cute! Napaka-cute-cute! Kaya yung iba namimiss si Jack eh. Grabe man siya magpa-cute. Pa-cute sa camera. Jack! Smile be! Paste? There's no more paste. I think
Now
we
there
eat
is
all.
one more. I thought there's one more.
Traffic. Take his hat, Nakbe, please. Thank you. Is that Jack making noise? Huh? I think he's sleepy.
If it is closed in there, I will take this off and give it to you. It's closed. Okay.
It's not clothes, panties.
Closed. Closed.
Which one you want, JJ? That's what that. How about Jenny? That one? What's the drawing in yours, JJ?
Unicorn.
How about Jenny? What's the drawing? Binilhan ko sila ng panty. Oh, dito oh.
Shoes.
Will it fit JJ? Jenny?
Phone.
What's that? Ah, that's the cover. This one is for Jack. Yun lang po. Si Jack nandun oh, nagdula-dula.
Closed.
Jack.
Well, this is
Ang
my
laki.
fairy shoes.
Huh?
My fairy.
Will it fit you? No, for your kuan. You know when you have angel.
Yeah.
No, you have to like this.
Oh, yeah.
Is it fit? Or it's too...
I like it.
Is it tight?
That's not tight.
No? You sure? But you can wear socks, yeah? Small socks.
It doesn't work.
What is it?
Oh, no, mind it work. It keeps signing me out. Look.
Oh, Alvin. I think something's happening.
Let's try the.
Drawing in yours. Jack! Unsa na imong gikaon?
I want to see the. Okay,
Oh, that's the drawing in yours is all unicorn, Jenny?
Mine
JJ?
is unicorn.
You have to remember the drawing because you cannot swap. Hoy, hala, mura naman ni... Hala, Jack! Masa na ni isa diri o, mura na
I
ni
picked
siya
all the
kuan.
time. When I can.
Yeah.
Let me check what I got.
Let me check yours, JJ. Is it same drawing?
Yeah.
Is it?
Look.
Oh yeah, it's the same drawing.
Why are they so big?
It's not big when you put it on. Hala, na naghilak. Kita nyo dito, wala na yung bike ni Wayne. Pero, meron ito kay dito namin isasampay. Gusto daw nilang magtayo ng Christmas tree. Huh? Nag-try na. Manggod si mami. Mag-frame lang ka dito, Nauban man siya, oy. What is it?
We found toys.
Toys?
Look.
Huh?
We found toys.
Toy for what? Hala, nanguha na pud mong toys doon nga. Ay, naghawa na gani dito sa kuan. Look at Jack. It's not Jack.
Where's the other one of these?
Will you turn on the TV, please?
Huh?
I found it.
Got it?
Ah, sige.
Got it? Like that?
Yeah.
Got it?
We have our audience. Yeah.
Bottom.
I think that's the bottom, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, you have to open it, Jenny.
That's it.
Spread it. Spread.
I know.
You and Jenny spread it.
Spread.
Sama ni, oy, 2 weeks na lang. Ilang weeks na lang natira. Ngayon pa sila maggawa ng Christmas tree.
Okay.
Help ka, Jack? Ikaw?
It's so
Tanaw-tanaw ra ka.
Where's the
Ay,
hole?
nadagway, oh. Dako kaya ang mata, oh.
here.
Laki ng mata. Sana, Jack?
There's a hole there.
Laki ng murug. Beautiful tree. Okay, you can put the balls now. Just leave it like that.
Ball.
Just leave it like
Move
that.
it. Have we move it? There's another.
Tingin-tingin sa Christmas tree. Curious good kay si Jack. Oy, anong nangyayari sa mundo? Ayan ay po yung aming Christmas tree ay ambot. Hindi man ako marunong maganon-ganon. Okay, nung kabataan namin, wala man kaming ganito, oy. Kabataan namin, namumulot lang kami ng kahoy. Aming pinuputol tapos nilalagyan namin ng wrapper ng candy. At saka yung wrapper ng candy, nilalagyan namin ng bato. Yun na yung aming Christmas tree. Oh! Mag-change na sana kami ng Christmas tree. Gusto ko yung mayroong snow-snow. Pero gastos. Ito na lang, oy. Hanggang ano na to, forever. That white one. Okay, put the balls. Agoy, naunsa na ni sila.
No. Let's not do that on the end.
Ang daming ball, oh.
Mommy, we can't do this on the end.
Yeah? Sige, do the balls. Gusto man talaga magkuan-kuan,
Put the
decorate-decorate.
big ones far apart, and then the little ones go in the middle of them.
Okay.
Sana all, nag-decorate. Decorate mo na. Decorate.
Wait, how about these ones?
Sa muning kawin namin ni tabingi.
Put the ones on
The tree is
We
kuan.
have to do the
The tree is not balanced.
This is the smallest.
Okay, Jack. Jack. Put one, Jack. There. There. Put one at the Jack. I don't know. There. Put it there. Cheering. Never mind. I don't understand what's going on. There you go. That's Jack. There you go. Oh, look at the hands.
Put it.
I think this is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a light.
Tignan nyo yung Christmas tree
Where
nila.
did you find the light?
You can all Jack, Mummy.
Okay.
What's Jack?
Tumbling-tumbling naman na. Honey.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm trying
Oh, he's
to
trying
light.
to rub his eyes.
Dali, Annie. Give it to me.
Here you go.
He got a star.
There's the star. It's on.
Tingnan nyo, ang dito sa likod. Wala masyado. Doon sa harapan. Grabing dami. Oh, magkatabi yung agay. Hilakman. We wish you agay. Re. Agay. Kubi. Nako, kaya pala mag-iyak-iyak.
I'm gonna
Sige,
try.
kay glitter ba yan na lang? Wish you a Merry Christmas. Baby, Julie. Malak rin si mami sa imong bed. Happy na ka? Ha? Jagod. Kung ialaw ko ba, masira yung aming pamilya. Masisira talaga kung ialaw ko yung mga sinasabi at mga basa ko na mga messages. Kasi merong mga nagme-message. Uy, patay. May nagme-message sa akin ba na hiwalayan ko na daw yung asawa ko. Dapat ko na daw siyang iwanan. Kaya bakit man sa anong reason man? Kaya yung iba kasi nami-misinterpret nila yung mga sinasabi ko. Hindi nila naiintindihan. Nadidinig niyo ba ako? Kay si Jack. Ay, mayroong nagsasabi na mahina daw yung aking boses. So if I allow na yung mga nanonood at ibang Pilipina na nagsasabi sa akin na meron din ako nababasa sometimes sa comment section na hiwalayan ko na daw si Wayne. Dapat ko daw iwanan si Wayne kasi pabigat lang daw kuno sa akin. Kay kahit daw simple na anong tawag nito? Yung kahit na simple na gawain daw ba na magbili ng kanyang mga needs, hindi daw magawa. Kasi naman kasi nagkasakit man si Wayne. Uy, ano, salita ka lang? Nagkasakit man kasi siya. Kaya kung yung may mga needs siya dati, kailangan ko talaga bilhin para sa kanya. Okay. Para daw pinapabayaan lang daw kuno ako. Tulungan man kasi kaming dalawa. So, oy, hala. Kantukan. Diti ba yan na ay? Dali na tabi kayo, mag-sleep na ta. Kaya kung makikinig bitaw ako sa mga comment, kung i-mind ko lahat ng mga comment, as in, masisira talaga yung aming pamilya. Pero hindi ko naman pinapakinggan yung ibang mga opinion na nagsasabi na dapat ko lagi daw iwanan si Wayne na talaga daw. Patinto ganyan. Hindi naman, oy, kay wala mang matinding reason na nang bababae ay ganun. Natanawa lagi, magsige lagi tutuyok. Jack, sleep na lang. Di pa ni siya matulog, bay. Kung siya pagka-oras matulog, bay. Ha?